Hi everybody. Today I'll be discussing about profit or loss from stock market or anything related to speculation. So, first of all, in Vedic astrology, when it comes to anything related to speculation, we will take the house fifth. So, fifth house is a trine house, which is also called Lakshmi Stan, along with ninth house. First, fifth, and ninth are the trinal houses and represents money, because the trine houses are money houses according to the Vedic astrology. And fifth house, specifically fifth house, is related to one's purva punya. That means one's past life good deeds. And according to the past life good deeds, one may get easy gains in life. So when it comes to stock market, it's either easy gain or easy loss. And so I think fifth house is assigned for anything related to speculation. So what are the combinations that can make one rich, from stock trading or investment in stocks? And what are the combinations that can make one incur losses in stock market? So the first and foremost thing, remember fifth house, it's an important house. It's the main house of stock market. So when we discuss about the profit in stock market, we need to see what are the planets placed in fifth house, and what's the nature of the planet. Like if Rahu is placed in the fifth house, then nature of the person may be one may be very much interested into such kind of speculative things. And Rahu in the fifth house doesn't promise it all depends upon the DBA, Dasha, Bhukti and Antara. And Rahu is the Karaka of gambling, and it's also the Karaka of intraday trading. So Rahu in the 11th house, if somebody is having Rahu in the 11th house, so it will definitely give good results for him or her, specifically for stock market profits. One more thing, all the planets are indeed responsible for gains and losses in stock market, majorly if they are connected to fifth house. Suppose an exalted Jupiter is placed in fifth house and also owns houses like 2, 6 or 11 or 10 or good houses, then it will definitely give good money from such kind of speculative things. But the entire horoscope needs to be analyzed and seen microscopically. So this is one aspect. And the second point is about suppose moon is placed in fifth house, and moon is either in own house or in its exaltation. So in that case, one may gain profit from stock market in day-to-day basis. He may be an intraday trader, but again, like I said, it depends on the entire chart and what Dasha, Bhukti and Antara the person is going through. And Mercury, yes, it's a Karaka planet of business. Anything related to stock market, anything related to shares and speculation. Saturn, long-term investment. Sun, medium-term investment, and Jupiter, yes, long-term. Mars, medium-term. And if we see short term, then Rahu and Moon. So this way we need to analyze the entire horoscope of a person. This is through normal Vedic astrology. So to see whether this person have this potential to make money from stock market, first of all, after seeing fifth house, we also need to see second house. How strong is the second house, and how strong is the lord of the second house. If the second house lord is placed in any trine or in any kendra, like any kendra except fourth house, then yes, that person will definitely earn from stock market. Suppose the second house, some very good planet is placed in second house. Venus is placed in second house, and it owns 11th or the 10th house, or maybe the second house itself. So it's a very good combination of wealth, and the person may gain a lot of wealth during his lifetime if he goes through the dasha of Venus or the transits of Venus. This is one thing, and yeah, likewise we need to see the potential of 11th house. How strong is the 11th house and 11th house lord, just to see whether one can earn on a day-to-day basis, because 11th house is your earning gain on a day-to-day basis. At the same time, also 7th house, which itself represents the market, so we can see the potential of 7th house itself. And yes, after that, if the 5th house lord is well placed with 2nd house lord or 11th house lord, and it's not combined with any trick houses, any houses of loss like 12th and 8th, so it would be a good combination of gain from stock market or gain from investment. And with that, yes, Venus is also a karak of stock market if it's connected to 5th house. And 9th house is your luck. It's a Bhagyastan. So anything, the 5th house is connected to 9th house is also a sign of gain from stock market. And yes, any combination, any combination between 5th house lord, 11th house lord, aspect on 5th house from 11th house, any aspect of Jupiter to the 5th house, any aspect of Venus to the 5th house, any aspect of a strong sun into the 5th house, or any linkage between 2, 5, 11 without any aspect of 8th lord or 12th lord, definitely it's a success sign for a stock trader or an investor. So, but even if somebody is having all the combination and not making good money from stock market, in that case it may be possible that the person is not going through a favorable dasha, bhukti or antara. So this is one thing, and I've, I think, covered a lot about this particular topic, which may interest somebody who is already there in this part of business, maybe in trading or investment. Also, I mean, according to, if we see also we need to see the nakshatra of the fifth house. If the nakshatra of the fifth house is connected to Jupiter or Venus, then that would be very good for earning from such kind of investment or trading. At the same time, if the nakshatra or the cuspal sublord of the fifth house is connected to all improving house without any connection with the trick houses like the 8, 12 and 4, then it would be good for earning money from stock market. So we need to see the horoscope microscopically to judge whether a person can earn money from stock market or not. If you need your horoscope analyzed, in this prospect, I'll just leave my mail ID. You can just send your birth details. I would like to check your horoscope for the same. If you're interested, then you can mail me. And thanks everybody for watching. I mean, also give some feedback. Thank you.